Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can bookmark photos and videos inside your Google Photos account, for example, if you'd like to have faster access to them. So let us get started right away. Head over to your Google Photos library, make sure that you're logged in with your Google account, and here inside your library in the top left corner, Photos, simply select the photo or item you would like to bookmark. Let's go, for example, with that photo here. So select it by clicking on that checkbox here in the top left corner. And after that, there are basically two different ways, guys. You may, for example, click on these three dots here in the top right corner, more options, and select favorite, or simply left click on the given photo or item to see it in the preview. And after that, simply click on that star icon in the top right corner, favorite, and confirm by clicking on done here. So now the given item has been added to the favorite list. You can see that by that indicating star icon in the bottom left corner of the given item. And if you head over to the favorite section here on the left panel, you will see all of your bookmarked items here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.